Welcome. The purpose of this video is to show you the order processing flow between two Shopify stores using Aveti Supplier Connect. Assumptions. It is assumed that the supplier runs their own Shopify store and wish to sell their products on your Shopify e-commerce store. The supplier has admin access to their Shopify store, while you have admin access to your Shopify e-commerce store, and that the integration between these two stores has been successfully completed through Aveti Supplier Connect. For further details, please refer to our additional video resources. Let's begin by initiating the checkout process for a product shared by the supplier in your e-commerce store. The customer is already logged in, and we can go ahead and add one of the products from the appliance category to the cart. For this demonstration, all products within the appliance category are supplied by the same supplier. Let's proceed to the checkout and place the order. After the shopper has successfully placed the order, the e-commerce admin can view the order by navigating to the Shopify panel and clicking on Orders. The most recent order is the one the shopper just placed, so I will go ahead and click on it. As you can see, the order status is currently unfulfilled. The e-commerce admin now needs to request an order fulfillment to send the order to the supplier's store. To initiate this process, I will proceed by clicking on Send Fulfillment Request. The status of the order will transition to Fulfillment in Progress, and the accepted label confirms that the order has been successfully sent to the supplier's store. The supplier will be able to view the new order within a few minutes. So, let's log into Shopify as the supplier admin. Now, let's navigate to Manage Orders to confirm that the order is now available in the supplier's store. The supplier will have the ability to manage the order from their own store, and when they are ready, they can fulfill the order by clicking on the Fulfill Item button. A tracking code can be entered to track the order, and then we can proceed by clicking on the Fulfill Item button. The order in the supplier's store will change to the status of fulfilled. Let's switch back to the Shopify account of the e-commerce store to check the status of the order there. As you can see, the status is still Fulfillment in Progress. It may take a few minutes for the order status change to synchronize from the supplier store to the e-commerce store. A few minutes have passed, so let's check again. The order is now fulfilled, which concludes with this process. Post-order payment processes. Once a supplier has shipped the order, the supplier at the end of the week or month, depending on their business agreement, will send an invoice to the e-commerce site where the order was placed. This invoice will be for the agreed-upon selling price minus the reseller's margin plus the shipping cost. If the order was shipped and paid via cash on delivery, then the supplier that shipped would remit to the reseller their sales margin. Thanks for watching. For further details, please refer to our additional video resources.